welding our new piece of glass on to do our repair. So I've successfully cut this double back off, and I'm hiding the weld, and we're going to do a bend as well. We got to make sure we get this welded on and sealed. When you put together, you suck and blow, and you're looking for the flame to move to see if you have a hole. So we're good. Okay? Don't stretch it or blow it out much, because you're going to make a weld here. You don't want it thin. So I need to heat quite a bit of glass so that I don't stretch it too much. I don't use this flame much to bend with. So I'm getting it pretty hot. She's gathered up a little bit. Now we're going to stretch. We're going to just come right down. I didn't have my camera over here so you could see me go to the table. Dang it. So here we are, back to the table. Now we're going to make this bend. And we're going to do that on the ribbon fire. It cracked on me. It happens. Cracked on me. I try to fix it. Make a mess. So now we're going to have a face weld. I tried. Nice. Clean that phosphorus a little bit. Put this one off a little bit. Okay, another good cut. So I'm going to make this weld with my hand torch, because I think I can make better welds with the hand torch. And we want this one to be really good. Because it's going to be a face weld. Okay. You don't want to stretch it much. Blow it out a little bit and stretch it. Make it fit the pattern. Pencil right there. Now we're going to do a double back. You know, I might skip that double back and do my drop first. That's what I'm going to do. Let me cool. Now I'm going to do my double back. There we go. Fit the pattern. Yep. Yep. Nice bend. Okay, this is the right height for what I need. This is called a drop. So here's what we've got so far. Okay.